If you are given the volume of a cube is where all the sides on a box are the same. Then you take the cube root to find the length of one side. So the first one is the volume of a cube is 729 cubic inches. How long is each side? So we would need to do the cube root of 729, but you're probably not going to see that in the calculator. So what you need to do is 729, and then you find the caret key, which is this arrow, and then you need to put in parentheses 1 divided by 3. Anytime you see a fraction, you need to think of division. So when you put this in the calculator, the cube root of 729 is 9. So this would be 9 inches long on each side. A company is making building blocks, and each building block is a cube with a volume of 125, 343 miles cubed. How long is each side of the building blocks? Well, this works the same as the square root, where we need to take the cube root of the numerator and then the cube root of the denominator. So what number times itself and then times itself again gets you to 125? Well, that would be 5. Because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. And for 343, I believe that's going to be 7, but I'm going to put that in my calculator. And that will be indeed be 7. So this would just be 5/7 of a mile. Again, if we're doing like 125 in the calculator, it's 125, and you have the caret key, and parentheses 1 divided by 3. And then this last question has a couple of steps to it. So John is adding a new room to his house in the shape of a cube. The room will be 4,996 cubic feet. Look for the exponent. It's a 3 there. John's going to put in hardwood floors with the cost of $12 per square foot. What is the total cost? So we need to find how long one side of the floor is. We're given that it's a cube. So we need to take the cube root of 4,096. And that's going to be 16. So each side of this room is 16 feet long. So we want to know the area, which would be 16 times 16. So the area of the flooring that we're putting in, 16 times 16, is 256 feet squared. And then we're going to multiply that by the cost, which is $12 per square foot. So 256 times $12 per square foot gives us $3,072.